Naloxone comes in a variety of forms. This device represents one of the intranasal forms that you may have. The medication is all preloaded into this device, and when it comes to you, it will have a plastic packaging over it. In order to administer it, you pull the label down, you place the cone in the nose, and you push. You pull, you place, you push. It's very simple. Be very careful, though, that you don't push too early. If you push on this plunger before it's in the nose, it can result in the medication being dispensed. And once the medication's gone, that's it. These are one-time use only. Now, each kit that comes with this form will have 2 doses of naloxone and 2 of these devices within it. 1 dose per device. And that's because, ideally, you want to be able to give someone 2 doses while you're waiting for emergency medical attention. We tell people, give the first dose of naloxone, wait 3 minutes. If you haven't gotten the response of them awake, breathing, talking to you, go ahead and give the second dose in the same way. Pull the label, place the cone, push the plunger.